been very fortunate to get some rain. Very fortunate, very thankful for the Lord to send us some rain. So I'm going to take that opportunity to fix these roads. I'm kind of tired of driving on these messed up roads for so long. In order to do that, I need to go air up the tires on the tractor. They look like they're getting low, and crank it up, make sure everything's okay. Then we can get started. It's been sitting here, so that's what happens out here. I got nothing but mesquites and stickers and thorns and anything else. So yeah, pretty much it's gonna go flat. Alright, I bought this blade because I knew I was going to use the heck out of it. And I've done a lot of road work with it, but I actually bought it to do some work on one of the fields. Didn't actually do a whole lot, but when I have a big hole or something, that's like turns my tractor into a dozer basically. And this little deal in the back here, this thing was a homemade deal, and basically it's just a drag, and it works really well to smooth the road and, you know, kind of get the rocks up and things like that. So yeah, I think I blew up my compressor. All of a sudden it started making this super loud noise, and it sounds like it's the pump compressor part, and it dies real quick, like it's got a lot of resistance. But fortunately I was able to get the tires aired up. So yeah, that's what happens out here constantly. Just nothing but breakage, and they don't make stuff good enough. You've probably heard me say that before, but they just don't make anything worth a darn anymore. Looks like I need to air this side up just a little bit. Yeah, I thought I might have blew the motor, but I'll crank it up and let you hear it. It's pretty noisy out here. Apologize for that. That's just the life of the farm. This sounds so terrible. There is obviously something wrong with it. Okay, I think I got enough in there, but I want you to hear this when I turn it off. See how quick it stops? It sounds like something's going on with the pump. The last few years, I've spent so much time on these dang tractors. I learned that it's no fun after being in it for 3 or 4 days or a week or 3 months. It took me 3 months to clear out that property, but I like doing it. It's just, that's not a whole lot of fun when you're in it that long. Just a day in, day out, grueling type of work. Oh, that's the only thing I don't like about this. So proud of herself for getting in that mud. Nasty. I got the front done, and I'm happy with how it's turned out so far. But I still have to do this part going down to the creek. But I think I'm getting too close to lunch, so better not get that started and then get a call immediately after I get started to come back and eat. So hoping I can get in there and there's some lunch. I guess we'll find out. Well, that's it. Got the roads fixed. I didn't want to spend too much time on them. I think it may end up raining here pretty soon, so I just wanted to get them passable. They were getting kind of hard to get through without just, you know, jarring you. And I started getting tractor necks, so I figured it's about time to get finished with it and move on to the next project.